I scaled my agency in the first phase towards $10,000 per month with only network and cold outbound. But if you really want to scale towards the next level, then you need to go towards paid ads. The first phase is to do it on your own, to do it with cold outreach, with your network and figuring out the offer. But if you have a dialed-in offer, then you can go over towards paid ads and use paid ads and put the money into something where you know it will work. And after 5 to 10 minutes, you will get the first leads, which you can actually call up and set them towards a call or they booking calls into your calendar. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to do this, how to get leads, appointments with a push of a button, and then scale towards beyond $10,000 per month. If you don't know who I am, my name is Noah Miguel. I scaled my first agency towards $10,000 per month when I was about 23 years old. Now I'm on the way towards scaling towards $100,000 per month with my agency. So if you're in the phase making about $3,000 to $5,000, $8,000 per month, and you want to go and scale beyond, and you don't want to rely on cold emails, cold DMs on Instagram or Facebook, or any kind of cold outbound over the phone, then you need to, like I said in the beginning, go towards Meta ads, Facebook ads. Meta, the new update, made it so easy that you can focus on the creatives, that you actually create creatives which are then focusing on the right target audience. Because previously you needed to choose the right target audience, and this will make or break your lead gen. But Meta just removed this, and you can rely on the AI of Meta right now, where you then create a bunch of creatives and put the right audience into the creative and into the copy, and therefore Meta will search the right audience for you. And then when you find a winner of this creative ad, then you can create different variations out of this winning ad. So let me give you an example to actually talk about a tangible example. If you're doing lead gen for any kind of audience, let's pick, for example, software, okay? Then you just need to focus and understand what does this audience want, okay? My example, I created ads for software CEOs willing to book more appointments because in my past agency experience, in my past years, I've scaled a YouTube channel for a SaaS company where we got them appointments booked through this YouTube channel, and we got them dozens of appointments with decision makers which can decide and spend $15,000 plus for software, which are decision makers, which are high intent leads, which have the money and which understand that they have the problem. Because we built a YouTube channel which builds a lot of trust. There's a Google ad which says that you need to build or spend 7 hours of content, or you need to build minimum of 11 touch points, and YouTube is the easiest to build trust. And then we can also add ads on the other hand, because we can build or we can have retargeting ads for this YouTube channel, for example. And now I have this case study, and what I will do, you can swap this with your target audience, whatever you have, and then you just target the right audience based on a result you built it in the past, and you just create simple ads calling out the exact target audience. So either you can make it via video saying something like, if you're a software CEO and you have junk leads which you're buying for too much money and your sales team is not converting any, let me help you to scale. We've done XYZ in the past. And just study the market wherever you want to go in, and just study whatever copy they're using and understand your audience. Obviously, when you have some kind of result within your audience, then obviously you understand the pain points, you understand the desired outcomes they want to have, you understand the language. Software CEOs, they want to book demos, high quality demos. They don't want to have junk leads, and you talk in their language, very important. And when you did this first phase, scaling towards 10K for specific audiences and creating actual results, then you can go in and run paid ads between $300 and $500 per month, which land you more high ticket appointments when you understand the funnel system. So on the top, video or a picture ad. Below then, you can either then create a VSL or straight to booking, depends on the ad you have. And then also creating some automations within the backend, within the CRM system, that they also get that they get minimum of, I would say, 10 to 30 emails over the next couple of days and weeks, where they are reminded of their pain point they have. Example, SaaS CEOs, they want to have high quality demos on a weekly or daily basis, and the sales team is crying about junk leads, and therefore you can now build momentum and rapport over emails, reminding them of the problem they have they once opted in for, because then we have to opt in. Then we have the email coming in, hey, this is sending them again the VSL, they taking a look at the video sales letter where you're specifically talking about the problem you can solve, and therefore you send them even more emails over the next few weeks because they opted in, and always putting the call to action into, hey, book a call with us. And this is the whole magic. It sounds very simple. You just need to do it once. You just need to get started, because when you never got started with paid ads, or you even got started and you didn't get any tangible results, you didn't do it right. So if you want to do it right and you want to actually scale beyond these $10,000 per month, then just book a call with us into our calendar, and we can take a look if we can actually help you, if we can help you as an agency owner to book high ticket appointments and to actually scale your agency with predictable acquisition channels. So if you like this video, then most probably we will see each other in another YouTube video. Bye-bye.